In this video, I want to show you how to replace your fog light assembly. This applies to both sides, of course, so let's get started. This will be easiest if you turn your wheel, although totally doable if you don't want to. If you look behind the splash shield over here, you can see the back of the fog light. So let's unplug the bulb. There's a tab underneath that you have to pull down on. I might need, oh, never mind. Sometimes you could use a pocket screwdriver to help you, but looks like this one is lubricated with some dielectric grease, which actually does help. These get a lot of sand and debris in them, and a lot of times they'll be stuck and difficult to remove, but just wiggle it back and forth. And now we have to remove this 8mm nut that holds this on, and then we can pop it right out. All that's holding it in are these two pins here that basically help it stay in place while it's bolted on, so we just have to push it until they pop out. Push the center, sometimes that can help. There we go, that's one. Do the same on the bottom one. And once that's popped out, you can remove it from the front side. Here's your fog light. Now let's reinstall the fog light. Line it up, it has this tab that needs to slide in. You'll see there's a cutout, and then of course these two pins need to line up with the ones that we just pushed out, and the stud can only go in through one hole, so basically you can only put it on one way. Press it on, make sure it clicks. The clicks that you're hearing are those two pins locking in to the white retainers. Plug in the wiring harness, make sure it clicks, and let's put on the mounting nut, snug it up, but of course don't make it too tight because it's very small and it can easily strip out or break. All right, now give it a test and it should work.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.